Greetings everyone. My name is Hardik. I am a student of MBA Finance Maths at Chitkara Business School, Chitkara University. My topic for Business Byte is statistical analysis. Statistical analysis is the process of collecting and analyzing data in order to discern patterns and trends. It is a method of removing bias from evaluating data by employing numerical analysis. Statistical analysis is a scientific tool in AI and machine learning that helps collect and analyze patterns and trends to convert them into meaningful information. The conclusions are drawn using statistical analysis, facilitating decision making and helping business make future predictions on the basis of past trends. There are different types of statistical analysis. First is descriptive statistical analysis. It involves collecting, interpreting, analyzing and summarizing data to present them in the form of chart, graphs and tables. Second type is inferential analysis. The inferential statistical analysis focus on drawing meaningful conclusions on the basis of data analyzed. Third is predictive analysis. Predictive analysis is a type of statistical analysis that analyzes data to drive past trends and predict future events on the basis of them. Fourth is prescriptive analysis. The prescriptive analysis conducts the analysis of data and prescribes the best course of action based on results. Fifth one is exploratory data analysis. Exploratory analysis is similar to inferential analysis, but the difference is that it involves exploring the unknown data associations. Last one is causal analysis. The causal statistical analysis is determining the cause and effect relationship between different variables within the new data. Importance of statistical analysis. First is the statistical analysis aids in summarizing enormous amounts of data into clearly digestible chunks. Second is the statistical analysis aids in the effective design of laboratory, field and survey investigations. Third point is statistical analysis may help with solid and efficient planning in any subject of study. Fourth point is politicians can utilize statistics to support and validate their claims while also explaining the issues they address. Thank you.